freight train cause artistical equipped riffraff to runaways in this bitch. Shouting, chew, 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 cause Mr. Freight train, why run away when choo, hootie, who them killers after you? Mr. Freight train, why run away when choo, hootie, who and killers after you? Get his ass, chew, get his ass, chew, 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 got me one, chew, 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 hootie. Ho, click clack, gotta get back. Upload a drink and make niggas run afraid and brain from get back. Time from poise, pharmaceutical popping up a tic-tac. Yes, it's be the art until tackle artillery become the target to his fucking collapse. Or relapse or laugh at me now or cry later. Now or later, boy, I'm so candy sucker poised, free of charge to run my motherfucking ones. To this desecration of this Tommy gun. Go straight street sweeper of your fucking lungs. Got me one, cause Mr. Freight Train got him one. Mr. Freight Train, yes, he's so trained. Mr. Freight Train, why run away when choo, hootie, who them killers after you? Freight train, why run away when choo, hootie, who them killers after you? Burden all your life, Mr. Freight Train, right? Yes, it is no fun, and yes, I be all that and pumping of smoke of your lungs, so whiffle to the lame in fact. Yes, I be so mentally uppy, up the uppy of a pistol. Also, I can fight. So run away from this freight train for the night or your life. It matters one hitter quitter. It's superior pack. Freight train, boom, pack, double pistol pack because we have no true mercy. Merchant on no fun in these fucking streets. G code come at ease. Yes, your death, please, death and please. In buried motherfucking coffin. So if you COVID-19 coughing at 6 feet at a destitutable motherfucking distance from me as I gabble the fucking earth. Boy, don't play, you'll be on a fucking shirt. Pretense in your fucking feelings getting hurt. Then your ass was dirt, making other ripples of the shirt. R.I.P. Man, I'm all grown, man. Please don't try to withstand this freight train.